guys, how are you all doing? This is Homely Recipes. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I, Martha Musimi, show you how to prepare easy home meals that you can enjoy with your family, your friends and yourself with readily available ingredients not only in your house but at your local market just outside your house. So today I'm going to show you how to make a luxurious meal at a home, at a simple, humble home. Fluffy, soft, moist pancakes. This is the best recipe in the whole world for the most fluffiest pancakes that are soft and moist. I'm going to share with you my secret ingredients to make pancakes moist and fluffy and soft. What we are going to do, I'm just going to show you my ingredients and then we start. So you can double these ingredients if you want a bigger batch. I have 1 egg here. Here I have 100 grams of self-rising flour. I've added a quarter teaspoon of baking powder and 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda. This is the baking powder. This is the baking soda. I have 45 grams of sugar. I have 40 grams of melted butter. I have 80 grams of milk. And the secret ingredient, vegetable oil. I have 20 grams of vegetable oil. So I've measured all these ingredients so that you can have the perfect measurement for your pancake. This is a must in all homes for you to be able to measure out all your ingredients and to have consistent meals that taste the same and are so nice. So let's start. We are going to break our egg like that, and then we add in our sugar. Then using a whisk, we are going to whisk this. Whisk until the egg is all combined. It's gonna take just a few minutes or seconds. So you whisk this, and if you notice guys, I'm using just normal household equipment. If you don't have a whisk, you can use a fork. So once the egg and the sugar is nicely incorporated, you add in your melted butter, which should be cool. You should have cooled it before, let's say after melting it, let it cool for a couple of minutes. So you add that and your vegetable oil like that. Just make sure you scoop everything out using your spatula or flat mwiko. I mean, you can't leave all this on the bowl. And of course, what's a pancake without flavor? So in my pancakes today, I'm going to put them quite plain, just lemon zest and half a lemon. I'm going to squeeze in juice of half a lemon. A tip, before cutting the lemon, make sure you get the zest first. That way it will be easy. So we are gonna mix this and then add in our milk. Look at how fast this is, guys. Very fast. We add in our milk, whisk until just well incorporated, and then at this point the job for the whisk is done. So we put the whisk aside. We go in now for our spatula because we're adding in our dry ingredients. I should mention I have sifted the flour with a kichungi before while putting it here, just to incorporate air in it, which is gonna make it fluffy. So let's add in our flour until just combined. And the right amount of ingredients in this recipe, guys, is very crucial for a perfect texture and fluffiness. So if you try this at home, make sure you follow these exact measurements. So let's add in. You use your flat mwiko to fold in. Until just combined. Don't overmix. Like that. At this point, I'm going to add in my zest, and I forgot to squeeze in my lemon juice. Let me just squeeze it right now before everything is combined. Just half of it, not full, half of it. So let's combine this. Just incorporate nicely until the large lumps are not visible. Like that. And then you leave it. You see the small lumps are what you need. Actually, this is what you need for a fluffy pancake. Don't mind about them. You will not see them once the pancakes are cooked. So let's go to our stove top and cook. Set your heat at medium low, and let the low be quite on the lower side, and then we start cooking. So guys, into our non-stick pan, we are going to add in just a little bit of butter and melt it. Once your pancake batter is ready, when you've mixed it, let it sit for 10 minutes before you start cooking it. And into the flour, I also had a pinch of salt just to balance the sweetness of my pancakes. So just using a serviette, rub the butter around nicely like that. Yeah, that looks good. And our flame being at medium low is perfect for our pancakes. I'm going to use this 1/4 cup measurement to measure in my pancake batter. Here it is. It's been sitting for 10 minutes. So I'm going to scoop and pour. Look at how fluffy this is, guys. Oh my god. Don't spread it. Just let it cook like that. So we let this cook. Let's move this thing. They are so nice, so fluffy. It's gonna cook really nice. And one of the green light to knowing that we can turn our pancake is once we start seeing bubbles on the surface. That's a green light. But however, if your pancakes are too fluffy, you just use a spoon or a spatula to keep checking on the lower surface if it's ready to flip. The bubbles are to my satisfactory on the top because my batter is quite very fluffy. I don't need too much bubbles to know I need to turn. So using your spoon or your spatula, just turn it carefully like that. Wow, this is just amazing. So the bottom part, the other side, is not going to take too much time to cook because much of the work was done when this part was cooking. So let's just give this a minute, just a few seconds, then it's going to be ready. So let's flip it. Yep, this is perfect. So this is ready. The next, don't oil your pan anymore because you remember you added some butter and oil into your batter. So let's just put our pancake batter in and then let it cook. Look at that, guys. This pancake batter is so fluffy. I mean, oh God. So, as usual, let's wait for the bubbles on the surface and then time to flip. Let's give it a couple of minutes because the lower side takes quite some time before it cooks. So my pancake is ready to flip. Just carefully. Wow, this is just amazing. So we'll wait for the other side to cook. Like I've told you guys, when flipping, be careful so that you don't have too much spitting of the flour on the rounds. So let's give the other side, let's let the other side cook. So let's check if the other side is done. Yup. Oh my God, this is so perfect. Next, we pour in our pancake batter, our fluffy pancake batter, like that. Let it cook. Our pancake is ready to flip. Careful. Wow, oh my God, they're just giving me chills for eating them. I can't wait for them to be ready. So let's give it a minute for the bottom part to cook. So let's flip. Yep, it's well done. So I'm going to cook the rest of my pancakes. It's I have like 3 more remaining and then we serve. So guys, here are our pancakes. We have 5 pancakes and a small tiny one. Look at how fluffy these are. Oh my God. So let's cut into this so that I show you. They're just slicing so nicely. You can add toppings of your choice. It could be berries, chocolate chip, maple syrup, honey, but I love to serve mine plain. Look at that. Look at how fluffy these are, guys. They're so fluffy. Have you seen that, guys? So fluffy on the inside. And you can't see any flour pockets. They all cooked through. So let's give it a taste. Can I handle this? Yeah. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Yes, so soft. They're so soft. They're very fluffy, like how I've shown you. Look at that fluffiness. And they just melt in my mouth. I hope you guys try out this recipe. You're gonna love it. As usual, thank you so much for watching this video through the end. I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep it homely recipes. Bye bye.